Have you ever had a great business idea, but no idea if anyone would actually pay for it? You spend weeks building, refining, even obsessing, and then nothing. Crickets. If that's ever happened to you, you're not alone. But here's the truth. It's not that your idea was bad, it's that it wasn't validated. In this video, I'll walk you through a powerful 5-step framework used by companies like IDEO and Apple, adapted for solo founders like you. It's called design thinking, and I've taught it in live workshops with creators, coaches, and small business owners. You'll see how it works using a real example: a yoga entrepreneur who couldn't convert free users into paying members. And best of all, I've got a worksheet so you can follow along and apply it to your own idea today. Step 1: empathize. Most entrepreneurs start with the product. Design thinking starts with the person. Before you build anything, ask, who is this for? What do they think, feel, and struggle with? In our workshop, we used the AEIOU method: activity, environment, interaction, object, and user. We looked at how potential yoga clients were spending their time. They were interested in wellness, browsing online, but feeling overwhelmed and unsure about the quality or follow through of digital sessions. We don't guess these things. We observe. We listen. We ask. Empathy isn't fluffy, it's data. Step 2: map the journey. Once you understand your user, you can map out their customer journey. What are they experiencing at every stage, from awareness to advocacy? With the yoga entrepreneur, the pain points were clear. Users found the Instagram page, but didn't understand the value. Booking was clunky. Follow up, inconsistent. Trust, low. When you can see your customer's path, you can find the gaps. And that's where the real opportunity is. Step 3: define the real problem. Most people define the problem too early or too vaguely. Design thinking helps us reframe it. Instead of, I need more clients, we asked, how might we create a seamless and engaging digital experience that converts free users into loyal paying members? That's specific. It's testable. And it opens the door to real solutions. Step 4: ideate and prioritize. This is the fun part. Idea generation. Go wide, no filters. What could solve the problem? Then you sort. We used an impact versus effort matrix to decide what was worth trying now, later, or not at all. For the yoga business, some quick win ideas were a 3-class intro challenge with email reminders, better mobile scheduling testimonials with a face and story. The key is not building blindly. It's thinking critically about where to focus. Step 5: prototype and test. Now it's time to get real, but not fancy. You don't need to build the full product, you just need something to test your assumption. That could be a quick landing page, a mock-up of your offer, a test class with real feedback. In our yoga case, we created a sample offer email, added a calendar link, and tracked responses. Within a week, she booked 3 paying clients. That's the power of smart testing. What this means for you: if you're building something new, stop guessing, start validating. Empathy, clarity, action. That's how solo founders win. You don't need funding. You don't need a full product. You need proof that someone wants what you're offering and a way to improve before you scale. Want to apply this to your idea? I've linked a worksheet I used in the workshop. Download it, print it, and start working through your idea right now. Drop a comment. What's the problem you're solving? And who is it really for? And if you're building solo, subscribe for videos that help you grow smarter, not just harder.